back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be drawing blue from rainbow frames. So what you need to be using is a piece of paper, some markers, and a Sharpie and a pencil. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is be drawing his body and his little craft. So you're going to draw a little circle for his head. And then you're going to make his arms like this. And then you're going to look down. And then you're going to turn here. And then you're going to make it go up. And we're going to do the same thing for this one. And then you do it all over again. After that, the next thing we're going to do is a crown. Just like that. And then we're going to draw his little eyes and his little smiley face. You're just going to fill in the little hole right here. And doing the same thing to this one, but except a little X in the middle instead of a little circle. After that, you're going to draw a little smiley face. Watch a little water drilling from it. After that, there's just a waste of little thing that's inside of the little pill now. The next thing we're gonna do, and you're gonna color his body. there's dark blue to color the whole thing. After that, you're gonna start drawing his crown with your yellow marker or clay. After that, you're going to get your Sharpie and outline all of this. You can do this is optional. After that, you're gonna fill in the little dark spot. And then that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!